Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through the new deals for this week. So if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So the first thing on sale this week are these smocked skirts from Free Assembly. They have that nice high waistband. It's a flowy kind of fit. Material is poplin. These are super soft. Same kind of fit through the back. It comes in this plaid. Also comes in this solid white poplin. They're regularly $22. They're on sale for $17 and change. The matching tops are also on sale. These have that thick strap, squared neckline smocking through the whole top with the little peplum through the front and then also in the back. It also comes in this plaid. They have the white tops in store today. These were regularly $20. They're down at $2.15. Such a cute set. And then also the balloon sleeve tops are also marked down. So these have the scoop neckline. You can see that little pleated detailing. Seam detailing through the sleeve, and then it has that band with the gathering. It's a nice relaxed fit. Seam through the back. These were $22. They're now on sale for $17. Comes in both the plaid and then the white poplin. Free Assembly cropped boxy tees are on sale for $5 in certain colors and patterns. So these have that boat neckline drop sleeve. It's nice and relaxed. Shorter fit through the front and the back. Comes in this peach with the orange. There's yellow and white. There's a white and black. And they're regularly $10. The Free Assembly high neck sleeveless dress is also on sale. So this one has that poplin material. It comes up high. It's sleeveless. Has that gathering. It's flowy through the body with the belt to bring it in. And then it zips up the back. Comes in this floral, also the navy. And then online they have it in solid yellow. They're regularly $28. They're now on sale for $20. Slip dress from Scoop is marked down. So this one has the thin adjustable strap. Scoops down, sleeveless. It's a relaxed fit, has that slit on the side. It's also like a wrap style. Looks so good on. The back has a scoop neckline. These were $38. They're now on sale for $25. They have one other pink floral and then a yellow. In the men's department, they have these sneakers from Chaps. So if you're a woman's 9, then you fit in the small size. But if you're anything smaller than that, you have to check out the boys. They might have it. But there you have a rounded toe, lace-up canvas with the faux leather back. They're $28 and on sale for $12. Black. And then these little like loafer style shoes. They have the rounded toe, the rubber bottom. These are $34. On sale for $20. And then also from Chaps are these little slip-ons. So they have that almond toe, the lace up, and these are $34. Some of the Avia zip front sports bras are marked down. So these are a stretchy kind of fabric. This one's seamless. It has that sweetheart neckline. It is a zip front, so you can unzip it, and then front closure. Has pads that can be removed, and then it's a racer back. These run a little on the smaller end. There's like small, medium, large. I would recommend sizing up. Comes in this white and black burnout. There's the gray leopard, pink, purple, the taupe color, also that black camo, solid gray and solid black, regularly $13.98, and they're on sale for $11. Flowy shorts from Reebok are now marked down. So these have that soft kind of stretchy microfiber waistband, has the drawstring, side pocket, the built-in kind of underwear. They're flowy windbreaker material, and then that seam detailing in the back. These were $20. They're now on sale online for $15. So it's not this exact style. It's the Time and True sleeveless dress with the same cut, but it has the Henley button. Same kind of neckline, sleeveless, more of a relaxed fit. They are regularly like $16. They're down to $8 and change. They have a bunch of different stripe options, just like this style, and then also solids. Color on the chain slides from Sam and Libby. So they have that rounded toe, this chain detail. It's a footbed bottom. They're going to on sale for $17. The shoes I didn't get to go over. So these are a square toe flat from Time and True. That's what the heel looks like. In the brown. They also have them in the black. They're $17. On sale for $10. And we haven't seen these in a while. They're from Time and True. It's a mule with the straw and the stripe. That's what the bottoms look like. And they're $17.98. This Eloquy dress I shared in the plus size shop with me is marked down. So this one has that wrap front. It's a nice kind of stretchy silky material. Ties in the front, nice longer length. These were regularly $30. They're now on sale for $18. Looking for fall, these ribbed sweaters from Sofia Vergara are marked down. So these have a little bit of a sweetheart neckline and then this little halter with the drawstring. Ribbing through the body, also in the sleeve. Really good length and fit through the back. So these are the different ways you could wear it. And this one was regularly $30. It's now on sale for $22 and change. It also comes in black. These No Boundary platform slides are on sale online. So these have the rounded toe, the double ruche strap. They're regularly $24.98, and these are on sale for $15. This skirt is also marked down. I have the matching cardigan. I know they're both on sale. So this one has that ribbed waistband. It's fitted through the front and then flowy at the bottom. Regularly $36. They're now on sale for $18. And then I think the sweater set, it's like a tank and cardigan, is on sale for about $30. Another good plus deal is this blouse from Terran Sky. So this one has that higher neckline. It's smocked to the top, has that ruffled detail with the embroidering through the sleeve, elastic on the wrists, flowy. Comes in another color. These are down to $8 and change. Also on sale is this sweatshirt from the Get. So this is a really cute little summer sweatshirt. It has that boat neckline. It's French terry on the inside. It has that seam detailing, ribbing at the bottom, and then it ties in the back. That little scoop. These were regularly $25. They're now on sale for $17. The dress from Sofia, I think we saw it like maybe 2 months ago. They are on sale in store and online. So this is what the material looks like up close. Has that flutter sleeve, wrap style front with the elastic in the waist. Also has that bamboo style belt with the tiers. It's a flowy fit through the back. They're regularly $34, on sale for $20 and change in the black, and it also comes in this watercolor. The capris from Real Size are marked down. So these have an elastic waistband. They're pull-on of that side pocket. That's what the material looks like up close. Has these little snaps at the bottom. Comes in a bunch of different colors. These were $18. They're now on sale for $12. So it looks like on the inside. So really thin, super stretchy. Some of the prints and colors in this chunkier sneaker from Avia are marked down. These have that rounded toe, the rounded laces. There's odor control. Comes in the white, this black with the multicolor. I also shared like a purpley pink that's new. They're down to about $18, so a little over $1 off, but these are really nice for the price. My slides from Scoop are majorly marked down even more, so I'm actually wearing them today. These have that rounded toe with the buckle detail. You can adjust it to make it a little narrower or wider. Comes in pink and black. Now they're $19.99. Avia. So these have a crew neckline. It's super soft and stretchy. Has that seam going down the front, that flowy fit through the back. In the gray, also comes in mauve. There's a white, purple, green, lavender, and coral. And these are going to be from Terran Sky. This is their plus line. So it's a super soft kind of flowy material. It has that smocked waistband, relaxed fit through the front and the back. In the blue floral, also comes in that black and white floral and the pink floral. 2 for $20. The star sneakers from No Boundaries are also marked down. So these have that rounded toe, lace up the glitter. There's all different prints and colors available. They were $22.98. They're now on sale for $13. They have that terry around the inside. These feel like they're really comfortable. In this top and skirt set from Time and True. I also shared this in my last haul, and they're on sale online. So it has that higher neckline, this crochet detailing, shoulder detail with the long sleeve. It's elastic on the wrist, more of a flowy fit with the little keyhole in the back. So it comes in the white, also the blue, and the yellow. They're $24.98 in store. And then they also have the matching skirt. These have an elastic waistband. It's a tier with that same crochet trim. These are also on sale online. And then I also saw online, these are actually kids, marked down to 20. But they have so many different styles of Crocs down to $20. The flip-flop option in all of the good colors. So the neutral black and white. These are really comfortable and they last so long. These ruched heels from Scoop are also marked down. So they have that square toe, this ruche strap detailing, and then it's elastic through the back with the chunky heel. These also come in black. They're on sale for $25, regularly $30. These are new. So I know they're not new online, but new to my videos. These have that square toe, the double strap, chunky heel. I know these come in a bunch of different colors. New wide leg pants from BCBG. So I'm pretty sure we saw this top in one of these colors. Now they have the matching pants. So these have an elastic waistband. Also has this built-in belt. So it's the belt. Here's the front. Side pocket, this little pleated detail, wide leg, nice and flowy through the front, also in the back. In this multicolored floral, it also comes in this solid navy, and they're on sale for $22. And then the tops that match back. These are crop, but I think when you wear this set together, you're not going to show any skin. So this one has that little twist detail. It's a puff sleeve, smock through the back. In the floral also comes in the navy. And they're going to be on sale for $19. Also seeing more colors in this halter neck dress from BCBG. So this one has the elastic around the neck, kind of pleated, sleeveless, flowy through the body, smocked waist, nice flowy skirt, and then the fabric covered buttons in the back with the little keyhole. So it comes in the yellow floral. There's also navy floral. They all have a little bit of shimmer, and the black with the silver. They're on sale for $25. Also new tier dress from BCBG. So this one has the squared neckline, thicker straps. The material is like a thicker texture. And then it's lined on the inside with this soft kind of stretchy fabric. Has the seam detailing on the waist. And then that little tier flows down both sides like tulip style. And then it zips up the back with really good seam detailing. In the turquoise also comes in black and pink, and these are on sale for $22. Really good price on the 11 Sports seamless sports bra. So this one has that plunging V neckline, the seamless band, racer back. These are regularly $18. In store, I think they're like on sale for $15, but online they're on sale for under $10. And then the seamless leggings are also on sale. So these have that thicker waistband. It's fitted through the leg and in the back. They were regularly $22. These are on sale online for $16. Also new ribbed dress from Scoop. So this one has that scoop neckline, the Henley style buttons. It's a longer, like about elbow length sleeve. It's fitted through the body. And then a seam in the back in the white and blue. Also the blue and the white. And these are going to be on sale for $22. For the first time with this print. I know this is not a newer print, but I never saw these in stores. It's this raincoat in the orange and floral. So it has that oversized collar, lapel, completely lined on the inside. The wrist has that buckle detail and the seam through the back. And this one is regularly $60, on sale for $30. And this crisscross style romper from BCBG. So this one goes around the neck, has that little twist detail, seam at the waist, a nice length on the shorts, and then it zips up in the back. So we saw this teal floral, now it comes in the solid black, and they're going to be at $28. 11 Sport. So these are a slip-on. They have that elastic. It's a nice kind of lightweight bottom. These are on sale for $24.90. High top sneaker from 11 Sport. So these have the rounded toe. It feels like a slip-on. No, there's functioning laces, and then it has the little black in the back. They're going to be on sale for $24.99. 3 packs of the Terran Sky tank tops are marked down. So these have the thicker straps, scoops down, nice relaxed fit. These are super soft. Comes in lots of different color combinations. It's regularly $15.98 for 2. So you're getting one more for only $1 more. So they have the black and white tie-dye with the white. There's purples, teal, pinks, Sophia Bermuda shorts are on sale. So these are mid-rise. There's some light whiskering. They have that raw hem at the bottom. Just a little bit of fading through the back, not too much. These are regularly $24.50. They're now on sale for $19 and change. The Lila mid-rise is also on sale in certain colors. So these are that mid-rise with the whiskering. They have that more destroyed bottom with a little bit of distressing. These are also $24.50 down to $19 and change. A lot of the Sophia Melissa flares are still marked down, and there's a good amount of colors and sizes. This pair is high-waisted. There's some whiskering fitted through the leg, flared at the bottom. These are my favorite flare jeans, regularly $29.50. They're down to $14 and change. And then the pull-on options, I love those. I also picked them up. I'm not seeing them here. But those are down to $12 and change. And I would say true to size. So I got my usual 6 for both, and they're really comfortable. Time and True flared seam jeans are on sale. These are high-waisted. They have that seam detailing, some whiskering, and then that seam fit through the back. They were $26. They're now on sale online for $15. They come in 2 other washes, like a light chambray and then also a charcoal. The Time and True pull-on pants are on sale online. So these have that elastic waistband with the drawstring side pocket straight through the leg. Trouser style pocket in the back. They come in a few colors, regularly $19, on sale online for $14. Some of the sizes and colors in these wedges from Sam and Libby are marked down. So these have that almond toe to cork bottom, this little lace up trim. Comes in the black. These are down to $15, regularly $40. It's going to be these Time and True V-neck two-neck tees. They have this super soft kind of stretchy material, the drop sleeve V-neck line, nice and oversized fit with that scoop in the middle, so you do have some coverage, and then the same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the purple tie-dye. There's a blue tie-dye, the blue, pink, white, black. These are online in a 2-pack for $11. Regularly, they're $11.98. These Time and True crocheted pants, these have the elastic waistband. It's a relaxed fit. These little tiers at the bottom, they have that ruffled trim and the same kind of fit through the back. These were $19.99. Now they're on sale for $11.99. Size is extra small, and then also available to plus size. And totes from Time and True in the tie-dye prints are going to be marked down. So these have that top handle to top zipper. And then it's lined on the inside. I'm not sure what the fabric coloring is, but it'll probably be down on the website. Has that front little pocket. These were $24.98. So in both the tie-dye prints, they're going to be down to $16. And the bottoms are also on sale to the green one. So it has that wrap style front. Like a nice size back. It's not like full coverage, but not cheeky. This one is regularly $16.98. They're down to $13. Green textured bikini bottoms from Time and True are also marked down online. So these have that little cutout. Looks like they're a mid-rise or high-rise, fuller back. They're regularly $18.98. That's what they look like on. And they're on sale for $13. And then here is the matching top to the little cutout bikini. So this one has the ring detail on the strap, square neckline. It's an elastic bottom with the hook and eye closure, and then it's an adjustable strap. These were $20.98. Sports sweat shorts are marked down. So these have that elastic waistband there, a French terry side pocket, the raw hem at the bottom, same kind of fit through the back. So these were $18. They're now down to $10. Comes in the white, also in the black. They also added some more of the mini backpacks to the sale. So they're $24.98 regularly, now on sale for $15. I know this Baby Yoda's on sale. Also that skeleton jack. The Beetlejuice. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.